In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update project status in HoneyBook, Progress Tracking 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your pipeline always reflects the real progress of your work. Keeping these stages current makes it easier to forecast, collaborate, and stay on top of deadlines. First, open your browser and head to honeybook.com. Sign into your account just like you normally would. If you're prompted for any security verification, complete that to continue. Keep your login details private and avoid showing any sensitive information on screen. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your command center, with quick insights into tasks and activity. Focus on the left-hand sidebar. That's your main navigation. You'll use it often, so it's worth getting familiar with it. From that left menu, click Projects. This opens the area where all your work lives. Here, you'll see your list of projects, typically grouped or filterable by stage. Think of this as your pipeline overview. It's where you can quickly understand what's new, what's in discovery, what's out for proposal, and what's already contract signed. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to save time. Searching by client name or project title helps you hone in fast. Sorting by last activity can also bring the most relevant items to the top, which is handy during busy weeks. Locate the project you want to update. You don't need to open the entire project space just to change the status. Instead, look for the three dots, the More Options menu, next to that specific project. Click those three dots, then choose Move Stage. You'll see stage options like New, Discovery, Pause, Proposal, and Contract Signed. Select the one that accurately reflects where the project stands right now. After you confirm, the project stage will update immediately in your list. A quick tip: update the stage as soon as a milestone changes, like when you've sent a proposal or received a signed contract, so your pipeline remains trustworthy. If your account uses custom pipeline stages, the names may look a little different, but the process of clicking the three dots and choosing Move Stage is the same. Also, if your workspace uses automations tied to specific stages, moving a project may trigger emails, tasks, or follow-ups automatically, which can save you time. That's all it takes. Navigate to Projects, find your project, open the three-dot menu, and move it to the correct stage. Keep doing this consistently, and your HoneyBook pipeline will always reflect reality, helping you plan your next steps with confidence.